going on, family? Welcome back to the channel. Today here we have it again. I'm crossing my fingers because I'm hoping that she can actually fly today. So it's supposed to rain, so I'm trying to catch it before it starts raining. It's bind up. Try to cut on. All right, I got two CG markings right here. I have one a little bit more nose to the front and one all the way back, a little bit more waist to the tail. Just a little quarter of an inch difference, nothing crazy. Because that's where I was getting a decent flight experience when I tossed it the last time it crashed. So wish me luck. Everything's good. I literally did all the cosmetics to it. As you can see, it literally looks like a Frankenstein plane. So yeah, hopefully we could get it good right here and we could get her flying. Oh, still want an alpha for some reason. She's very good though. I forgot to set my timer. It's like hard to keep orientation with this. Wow, look at that. Much better. Much better. There you go. Wow, just keep it nice and low. There's a plane up there. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. I'm tearing up a little bit. That's nice. Definitely see that torque roll once you throttle up. Let's try to see if we could get a low pass. We're gonna have to get a low pass coming in from that way. Nah, it's a little hard. It's nice though. This is nice. This is very nice. I like it. Let me know in the comments down below. I think it's a little tail heavy still. I mean, I still have a lot of room, but this gives me that nose up attitude. And I'm gonna be honest, guys, I have no reflex on here now. I have my trim all the way up for the elevator. Look at that. Let's bring her down. All right, that wasn't smooth, but it was good. Let's check our battery because I did not put my timer on, so let's make sure everything is good back here. with our motor. Yeah, we're good with the motor stuff right here. Yeah, the motor is good. So let's check our battery. It's at 43. I don't want to mess these new batteries up. These are my new 2200s, so 4S. I don't want to mess these up, so we're gonna switch right out right there. Hopefully it flies a little better, because I have literally no more down trim. Like I mean not down trim, no more up trim, and I used all my sub trim. So the only thing I'm gonna be able to do is manually do that, which to manually do that, I'm gonna have to literally change these out because I don't have linkage stoppers. I literally just made those Z-bands and I got it right up in there. Switch back to high rates. Now, I do notice that torque roll, so what I do is I throw it a little bit to the left. Not too much, but a little bit to the left. And it's not gonna do nothing crazy for you, but it's definitely gonna help you maneuver, because I need more control for these ailerons. Still. Crashed it. I knew it. I knew it. I mean, I don't know why. I literally don't know why, guys. I don't know why. But it's still tail heavy. Like, and I promise you, I literally checked the CG at home and I checked the CG again. And it's literally very nose heavy, very nose heavy. That's why I only pushed it up a 1/4 of an inch forward, because I already knew it's very much tail heavy. But I don't know the problem, man. I don't know the problem. So at least this is good back here. I mean, this nose, this isn't really nothing. This isn't really nothing. We could honestly fix this. This is just the nose. Let me see. Yeah, we could honestly fix this. Or we just print out a brand new nose and we just make a brand new nose. But honestly, I think I'm just gonna call it for this model, and maybe build another one and try to make it lighter somehow. Only because, guys, no matter what I did, it was still tail heavy. And I even, let me show you right here, I even have some sockets and some little fishing weights in there. Honestly, I don't know, but it's good because you guys can see what is wrong with this plane, because a lot of people say it's challenging to fly this plane. Honestly, it is a little challenging, but it is very much easy. Like, to me, it is completely easy. I just need a little bit more power. This is the C-Pack. My flight test, I have a 9x6 prop. I mean, she's pretty much good, and I just got to figure out that why is it going all the way up like this when it's very much nose heavy. And I was talking to my friend Zeo FPV. He said it could be because of the canards. You know what I mean? The canards are supposed to be moving on a rare aircraft. Now, this isn't a real aircraft, so that's why I was kind of like lost. But it does make sense as to the aerodynamics, because if the canards are either up or down, it could definitely change your flight characteristics. So with that being said, honestly, that's the only thing I could think of. Like, you know what I mean? A lot of people say this plane is definitely challenging to fly, but I don't know. I mean, I was flying it pretty good right there, even though it seemed tail heavy. That last little flight, I honestly messed it up because I can't really turn to the right. I can only turn left pretty good. And that turn was definitely not enough power to get out of it. So I should have just let it nosedive after it climbed up like that and then just save it. So I just didn't want to go straight into the wires. But that's it for this video, everyone. I hope everyone found this interesting and at least learned something new. And our timer just went off. But I hope you guys were able to learn something about this plane today and are able to fix it in your model. Because honestly, I'm gonna make a new nose and I'm gonna probably fly this a couple more times. If not, I'm gonna take this motor out and I'm actually gonna build a P51 Mustang, the Master Series. Let me know in the comments down below. Should I build the P51 Master Series with this motor and just say forget this plane and build another X-29, but instead of a pusher prop, make an EDF version? That should make a really big difference, right? All right, everyone, please let me know in the comments down below, what should I do? And that was it for this video. I appreciate you guys for staying this long. I'm sorry that it wasn't spectacular second flight like the first one, but it's all right. We live and we learn. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay creative.